In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can use the KVEST to assess pelvis rotation at impact. Now we can see here, John had 9 degrees of pelvis rotation at impact. We can see the ranges for a typical tour player, 35 to 50 degrees. And for John's upper body, he was 21 degrees open. So we're going to take a look here at maybe some physical reasons why John's pelvis wasn't rotated enough open at impact. Can he functionally do it? We're going to talk about an exercise we can load in K-Trainer software to help with that, as well as a golf-specific drill that you can load to now be able to start changing those patterns. All right, we've just loaded our K-Trainer software, and now we're going to go ahead and build a program that's going to allow us to see how much mobility John has of his pelvis rotating towards the target, and then we're also going to load a golf-specific drill that's going to help him feel a better impact position. We're going to start off with exercises. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom. We're going to click on pelvis mobility, torso stability, and we're going to load hip twister. Next, we're going to go back to our full swing drills. I'm going to click on full body. I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom here as well, and we're going to click on turn at impact. That's automatically going to load the ranges for rotation at impact. Now I'm going to go ahead and change the reps for this exercise. Just for demonstration purposes, we're going to take this down to 4 reps, and turn at impact. We'll do the same thing. So you can customize your reps always for each individual player. We'll load that. Now as we can see here, we can work the pelvis in both directions as far as rotation, but we're just going to work John towards impact. So we're going to have John keep his upper body nice and stable and go ahead and rotate his pelvis to the left as far as he can. So we can see now we've got 31 degrees of pelvis separation. And it's definitely giving him a feel of more separation now at impact. We're going to finish one more rep. He's got to have good upper body stability and then good lower body mobility. Without touching the software, this is now automatically going to load our next exercise up top. You'll see this now go red. Our turn at impact will now go orange. And this is really a great drill now that you can start to get more dynamic and make this, give John the feel of what it feels like to go into a better impact position. He can go ahead and swing up top. And now what we're going to have John do is he's going to fire his lower body first, start rotating that towards the target until he gets that green. And now we can see him come down with his upper body to now close that gap. Now we've got 34 degrees of turn and impact versus John before where he only had 9. We could see from the exercise he could functionally do it, so now we're starting to give him the feel of what it feels like to do this now in his golf swing. Hips green first, shoulders close. You can see on video we're definitely getting him in a much better position now lower body wise at impact, and we'll do that one more time. John's back to address, back to the top, and now he can get his lower body green, and now the upper body closes. A great way to go from a functional exercise into more specific golf swing training.